Okay everybody, I haven't made a YouTube video in a long time. It's been a while. I'm gonna update you on everything that's new and give you a house tour. So the apartment is on the second floor, and there's actually locker rooms down here. And this could almost be used as a tornado shelter. I think it would be a good place to hide. Place to hide inside. Close it. It's metal, sturdy, but it's on the bottom floor. It's about the best protection you could get if you were in an apartment from like a tornado shelter. Got this hat, ocean foam. It's a like those foam roller things brand, and I got a hat. It's called Ocean Foam, made in Minneapolis. Okay, so I'm gonna open this door. Lights, and this is the food, and there's gonna be something maybe a little bit more exciting. Kind of like the pinnacle of this video that I'm going to show you. Yeah, just normal stuff. And take you out here where my bikes are. Right, I go biking. Right, at the rowing machine, and I just recently got a new bike. It's a different type of bike. The ones out there are mountain bikes, and the one I got is a different type of bike used for more road. As you can see, these handlebars is more road style. And there's no shocks on it to absorb anything. But what I was really looking for was these type of handlebars that I wanted. These look cool to go long distances, to last a long time. But I mean, when I go mountain biking, I go pretty far. Maybe even the same distance in total as I do in a short amount of time on this bike. But it's a faster bike on an easier path than a mountain bike. It's probably why it's faster, because of the path you take it on. It's a road, and that would be faster, more developed. But it has two right there, so the bigger one is for going faster, like downhill. And the position it's in right now is the fastest, and the opposite, low here, high down there, would help make it go up hills. Why does that happen? I'm not sure. But some of the upgrades you can add to a bike is like a monitor, and that's what that is right there. It's a monitor, and this monitors time, that's the speed, this is the distance, average, calories, I'll monitor, overall, clock, it's time, and timer. So that's a 1 hour, 16-minute ride, distance 16 miles, Average speed 13 miles about. Max is 27. And I can go about the fastest is probably like 30 miles an hour going downhill. That's I'm not sure if that's the total calories. That's the total miles. This is a normal time. This is for your iPhone. If you want to put your phone there and listen to music, like I'm doing right now. That's really handy. That's a water bottle holder. And that's a seat. Yeah, and that's just a starter bike, $300 from Walmart. There's always bikes that are more expensive. It's a good starter bike to adventure into the unknown of something you have never done before. You know, a beginner level. And maybe if you like it, you would take the next step into, you know, get a more expensive bike and spend more money on that hobby. But yeah, it's a good, nice, low-looking bike. Kind of makes some weird noises. The gears on cheaper bikes aren't perfect, but it does work. And yeah, keep it inside. And it's got that little rug so mud doesn't get on the carpet. And yeah, it works. So, and I was riding this bike, right, and on the interstate, and I found a iPhone 15. Maybe I should put some light on it. And it's pretty beaten up. We're gonna open it. That's what it looks like. It's all dirty, but it actually still makes noise when you plug it in. So I'm gonna see if it'll turn on. I removed the screen. I removed the back glass, and this was the screen. I ordered a new screen, so maybe next vlog I'll show you if I'll plug it in and see if it'll turn on, which will be amazing if it does, because it's been outside for a while. It was extremely cracked, and yeah, that's the little part. I'll try and open it a little bit more. And that's the battery, that's the camera, and that's all the little pieces and parts of it. And yeah, that's what a torn down iPhone looks like. So yeah, that's one of my projects I've been working on, and yeah.